The Financial Analysis Pro Degree is a 180-hour program that we offer in conjunction with KPMG as our knowledge provider. It is a skill-building program that introduces and teaches students 4 specific paths: accounting, valuation, financial modeling, and equity research. We teach this through a rigorous case study methodology that focuses first on learning concepts and then moves on to using case studies to stimulate an investment banking and corporate finance kind of environment that they can later use in real life. It creates a powerful toolkit for an aspiring student to take away for a career in corporate finance, investment banking, equity research, and specifically M&A. The 180-hour Financial Analysis Pro Degree has a cutting-edge curriculum with a judicious mix of academics and practical learning. This helps both novices and professionals alike and caters across investment banking, private equity, research, and M&A. There are 3 key highlights. First, there is comprehensive coverage where we cover financial accounting and statement analysis, we cover financial modeling and valuation, equity research, corporate finance, strategy, Excel, as well as aptitude training. Second, our learning methodology is that we deliver using a combination of self-paced videos, live lectures, industry case studies, project work, and rigorous assessment. Finally, we prepare you to actually get the job. There's extensive interview prep, resume building, and mock interviews, both domain interviews as well as HR interviews, and along with personal development and communication skills. The program is divided into 3 key elements: accounting, valuation and financial modeling, and forecasting. We then have the application element, where all these elements will go into learning how to create a pitch presentation in M&A. And then finally, how to create an equity research report. In accounting, we go into accounting principles, financial statement analysis, and consolidation. In financial modeling, we handhold you to creating a financial model. How do you forecast revenue? How do you forecast cost? How do you forecast a balance sheet? And finally, in valuation, we talk about income-based valuation, market-based valuation using DCF, using the dividend discount model. But more than that, we try and understand industry-specific scenarios on valuation and forecasting. Finally, we put all of them together and we teach you how to create a pitch presentation. And then, of course, we move on to creating an equity research report. What I think is most special about the KPMG Financial Analysis Pro Degree is our focus on not just teaching you what the job requires, but also bettering you personally in terms of professional development. One very important thing we focus on is business communication, how to write emails, how to answer calls. We also teach you how to create a storyboard, how to create great presentations. We ensure that you know advanced Excel, which is required for financial modeling. We also have the question, how do you get a job? So we help you prepare for job interviews through domain interviews, mock preparation, as well as HR mock interviews. We have internal and external faculty that come in and actually help you prepare for the job. We help you write your resume. And finally, of course, we train you for the aptitude test. A key differentiator of the Financial Analysis Pro Degree is our focus on simulating a working environment, which means that we're not just focused on teaching you the theory, we also want you to be able to apply it. And therefore, what drives our entire curriculum is act, reflect, conceptualize, and apply, which means when we read the case, we try and understand how to act on it. We sit back and say, okay, why have we made these decisions? And we are trying to put those decisions into context. And then, of course, we apply those decisions to the context that we've been given. This helps our students do multiple case studies across multiple programs in multiple industries. Our in-depth case studies also help you gain a practical understanding of various functions in corporate finance, like what is the role that private equity plays? What role does equity research play? When does a company go IPO? So on and so forth. One of the key value adds in this program is, of course, from KPMG, our knowledge provider, who will come and deliver 25 hours of the program to you. The Financial Analysis Pro Degree is delivered by using 2 methods, classroom and online, catering to your individual preferences. The classroom program is delivered by our expert faculty at Imarticus centers across the country. Our online sessions are instructor-led virtual classes that are real-time, that allow for real-time engagement with both the faculty and classmates. Both modes of delivery have engaging instructor-led videos that can be accessed at any time.